Hello, today we're going to see how we can work with watermark. Watermark basically helpful for copyright. So let's see how we can add watermark, how we can edit, and how we can remove watermark. So from this design tab, we'll go to watermark. So some default watermark is given here like confidential, do not copy. So we can check. So if we click on do not copy, so you can see that all the pages this watermark. So if you want to remove this watermark, what you need to do, you need to go to watermark and you need to remove this watermark. Similarly, if you want to use customized watermark, what you need to do, you need to go to watermark, then you need to go to this custom watermark. So from here you can see the radio buttons like no watermark, picture watermark, text watermark. So we will basically see the picture watermark and text watermark. So first we can see this text watermark. So I am clicking here. So here are some options like language English. Text, you can change this text like I am changing like take life made easy, and this font size auto, so I'm keeping like this. Color you can change, like if you give like automatic or black, and selecting black, so this one. And now this diagonal or horizontal, so I'm keeping diagonal, so just press OK. So you can see the text I wrote here came as an watermark. So this way you can work with it. So similarly, if you want to remove this one, just you need to remove. Now if you want to work with this photo watermark, so what you need to do, you need to go to this watermark, then again custom watermark. From here you need to go to picture. From picture you need to select a picture. So if you click here, you can select browse. So I worked with a picture a while ago, so it came automatically. So if you select a picture like this tiger, insert, and if you keep like this washout, you can see how it shows. So if you put OK, so you can see this tiger came as watermark. So if you want to make it bright, so what you need to do, you need to go to this custom watermark, you need to deselect this washout, then you need to press OK. So this, this is very bright, but it's difficult to read the text, so better you need to use this one like washout. So this is much light. So this way you can work with this watermark. So I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching.